jumping there from the long sail boat. This is the place where Leonardo DiCaprio jumped in movie The Beat. The scene that he jumped from long sail boat is that area. Also the scene that he jumped from waterfall also there. But we don't have a waterfall. Okay, that is CG. Also. PHI Island or Leonardo DiCaprio area. Can you give a big clap for Captain? Okay, everyone. First stop before we go to the lagoon. Lagoon only 1 minute from here. This cave, everyone, we call Viking Caves. Why did we call Viking Caves? 500 years ago, they have a Viking from Scandinavia live inside that cave. Everyone, do you know Viking people?
Below 5 feet?
Yep, of Viking people. Viking people live inside that cave 500 years ago. How did we know they are Viking people? Because inside the cave, everyone, they have a painting from 500 years ago. How the painting look like inside the cave? Mr. Anand will show you. How the swallow bird look like, everyone. This kind of bird, they will use the saliva to build up the bird nest. Normal bird, they will use a stick or wood to build up the bird nest, right? But this bird, they use the saliva to build up the bird nest. And people, they harvest the swallow bird nest. They collect the swallow bird nest to turn into collagen drink. Everyone, the collagen drink from swallow bird nest is a pure collagen. 1 kilo is about 2,500 US dollar, but 1 kilo can turn into 100 bottle of pure collagen. This drink, the collagen drink from swallow bird nest, they collect like this, clean it up and turn into drink. This drink, when you drink every day, it helps you look younger, everyone, because it has a lot of collagen inside. For someone.
Welcome to Miami.
snorkeling, sightseeing, monkey, and having lunch. So our plan today, we will go to PHI PHI Island first because we have to follow the water, high tide, low tide. At PHI PHI Island, at Lake Lagoon. If you think Maya is the most popular place, now it changed. The most popular place now is Lake Lagoon. It's very beautiful, crystal clear water. Here is Lake Lagoon, how it looks like, everyone. It's like a big swimming pool in the middle of the ocean. And don't worry, everyone, inside, there's actually very safety. The water inside the lagoon very calm. The water very clear, and water inside is